Miss John Lois Duro, HRDM 4th year. Today I am explaining to you the structures of international business organizations and the importing, exporting, and trade relations. Organizational structure determines how a business configures its operating units and how they interact to meet business needs. Organizations can be structured in different ways depending on their objectives. And these are the four organizational structures. The international division structure. This structure is built to handle all international operations by a division created for control. It is often adopted by firms that are still in the development stages of international business. Next is a global functional structure is often adopted by companies with a very limited product scope because the product mix is singular or limited. The CEO can coordinate the work of the functions and bring the resources of each to bear on the product line. Third is a global geographic structure. Puts managers closer to the scene of operations than are managers at central headquarters. Regional managers are well positioned to be responsive to local situations such as the needs of regional customers and to fluctuations in resources. This structure facilitates teamwork. And lastly, the matrix structure is a combination of two or more different structures. Thus, in a global matrix organization structure, a foreign subsidiary reports to more than one group, namely product, project, functional, or geographic. And now, we are talking about import, export, and trade relations. An import is a good or service bought in one country that was produced in another. Imports and exports are the components of international trade. Businesses that sell their goods and services to customers in other countries are exporting them. They are producing them in one country and shipping them to another. Exporting is one way that businesses can rapidly expand their potential market. Exports are big business. Exports and imports are important for the development and growth of national economies because not all countries have the resources and skills required to produce certain goods and services. Nevertheless, countries impose trade barriers such as tariffs and import quotas in order to protect their domestic industries. That's it for today. I hope you learned something. Thank you and God bless.